Last year, I had a little splurge and dropped a whopping 500 bucks in that new Insta360 X3 cam. It was like love at first sight, man. This camera could do it all. I mean, all. Special way it came to giving me the GTA style view like the game. Wow. But life has a fun way of throwing curveballs, and boy, it did through a doozy. Picture this. I'm out there filming in the snow thinking I'm the next Spielberg when bam! The camera decided to go for a snow dive. Lucky for me, it chose the soft flappy snow as its landing pad. Winter had my back, I guess. But that was just the warm-up pack. The real drama was yet to come, and it left me contentless for the solid 2 months. 2 months, can you believe it? Now let me spill the beans on what happened next. The rear lens was cracked and looked like it had been to a battle royale. I was determined to salvage my only prized possession. So, I hit up YouTube for some DIY magic. Armed with the finest glass sanding materials I could find, I went to work. Hours later, I was left with a camera that was still useful as a chocolate teapot. Turns out, without that rear lens, you might as well try to capture a 360-degree video with your eyes closed. So I did what any reasonable person would do. I ship off the camera to the Insta360 headquarters for a lens repair quote. While waiting for the response, I thought, why not get myself a refurbished DJI Osmo Action 3? Because you know, that's how I roll. And then my wife doesn't know I bought that camera. So be quiet. Check out the link up here and down in the comments. Tell me if it's sharper than the Insta360 X3 and the GoPro. And now I won't take it personally if it is. Fast forward almost a month, and after handing over a Benjamin Franklin and some change, my camera was finally back in my arms. But get this, they didn't just repair it. They replaced it with a brand spanking new one. Score! I couldn't wait to get back in the game. But I knew I had to step up my game in protecting my Insta360. I mean, fool me once, right? Sure, I had the fanciest tripod mount money could buy, but it turned out I've been doing it all wrong. First off, I hadn't cleaned the mounting surface. Oops. And I definitely didn't give time to dry it properly. Double oops. Oh, and let's not forget my personal rendition of a roller coaster ride over potholes and speed bumps in northeastern Pennsylvania. Not exactly Hollywood material, is it? Not enough about my blunders. To make sure this didn't happen again, I took matters in my own hands. I installed some seriously durable protective lenses in case Mr. Insta360 took another nosedive. And I threw in a little extra safety with a small cable that's like a bungee cord for my camera. If the magnetic mount gives up, no worries, the cables got my back. So, ladies and gents, grab your popcorn or your beer and let's take a ride through a simple GTA POV adventure starring my new Insta360. Second on the second one. And in the trusty Acura TL4 Jet. Fingers crossed, everybody, that this time it sticks around like glue. Let's go.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but